Good morning, children. Now just read these sentences. I have bought a new book. I knew this would happen. A hole in the boat will sink it. The whole story was read by me. They may steal the valuables. The steel cupboard is too heavy to lift. I can see a bird through this telescope. When I sailed, the sea was rough. Can you make sense out of this? There is some similarity. Can you see, can you think what we are going to learn now, children? I hope we have learnt in 7th class, I suppose. But still, let me remind you, children. See, you can see some of the words. See here, I am underlining that. New, new. Whole, whole. Steel, steel. Sea, sea. Look at these words. Can you make, there is some difference in these sentences and in these words. Even if we pronounce it the same way, we pronounce these words same way, pronunciation is the same, but the meanings are different. So these kinds of words are called homophones in English. What are they called? They are called homophones. That's what we are learning today, children. Homophones. They are called homophones. What are homophones? The words which have same pronunciation with a different meaning. That is what is called as homophone. Look at the first sentence. I have bought a new book. Now here, then this is the word I have underlined. This new and this new. We pronounce it the same way. But what is the meaning of this new, N-E-W and K-N-E-W? Can you make out? New. New means what? Something now only it has been introduced, which never existed before. Something new, a novel thing. Okay. So here in this sentence, I have bought a new book. That means what? I have something new. It was not there with me before. Now only I have it. But look at the second sentence. I knew this would happen. I knew. You know this word, have you come across this word new? New means what? I know it. I already know it. I already know that this would happen. This would happen. This would happen means what? This will come. This will make, one day this will happen. That already I knew it. That is what this word tells us about. Now look at the other word. A hole in the boat will sink it. I hope you understand the word meaning of this word hole. Hole means what? That through which you can peep through, you can see the other thing what is there behind that. Okay. So hole, this hole, a hole in the boat will sink it. So just imagine a boat is there and there is a small hole in it. What will happen to that boat? All the water will come into that. So that is what it means here, a hole. Now look at the next one. The whole story was read by me. Whole story means what? Everything. Everything was read by me. Everything means that all the whole, that is fully. The whole story was read by me. So the whole story, the full story was read by me. Look at the next sentence. They may steal the valuable. Steal. So have you noticed this word anywhere, children? Steal means what? Steal means the thief will steal. Steal means he will take away somebody's things. Okay. So to take away without the knowledge of that person. So they may steal the valuables. Look at the next one. The steel cupboard is too heavy to lift. Now here the cupboard, the metal, this steel tells about the metal of that object. So this steel is to steal away the things. Here the metal is being told. Okay, so that is the difference between these two words. I can see a bird through this telescope. I hope all of you know what is see. To visualize, to watch, to notice. Okay, so I can see a bird. So what he can see? That I can see a bird through a telescope. Now look at the next one. When I sailed, the sea was rough. This also I hope you understand, the ocean. So the sea was rough. When I sailed, when I was going in a boat or a vessel or ship, what I saw was the sea was rough. It was not normal. So what you can see here is these words are same in pronunciation, but they differ in meaning. Same in pronunciation and they differ in meaning. I hope you would have understood what homophones are. So these words which have pronunciation same and meanings are different, that type of words we call it as homophones in English. I hope you would have understood. With that, I want to tell you something else also, children. In page number 6, you can see you have synonyms in there. So you can just note down that. The first one is nice, fun, indeed. So we have to see what is the synonym for the word indeed. So indeed means what? What is the meaning of indeed? Indeed means actually. What is that? Actually. So what is the option given here is in fact, doubtedly, fine. So option, which option is right here? That is indeed, in fact is the correct answer. Next one, the poor woman is in panic. Panic means what? Actually it is fear, but fear how? Sudden fear. Suddenly you have that fear, no? Sudden uncontrollable fear you should say. So that is what is called panic. So here the option fear is given, you can tick that word fear. The mother consoled her little girl. Consoled means what? To just persuade, not persuade, just to say few words which will be soothing to the person. So the mother consoled her little girl. So you can comforted, you can say comforted. That is the word given here, so that you can tick it comforted. So consoled, other as a word synonym is the comforted. You are always self-centered. Now self-centered I have already taught you in the lesson. Self-centered means what? That is self-regarding, always thinking about our own business, doing our own things, like that. So self-centered. Self-centered means egoistic. The word given here is egoistic. What is the secret you are whispering? Whispering is just to say something very quietly without that should not reach the other person. Something very secretly you are telling, okay. So that is what. So for whispering you have got here murmur. Now next one is antonyms, you can see. Delight. Delight, I told you that being happy. Delight, you can write happy, but that will be a very ordinary word. You can even write dismay, displeasure. Okay, learn some new words. Dismay, that is antonym I am telling you, antonym of delight. Antonym of delight is dismay or displeasure. If you want, I can write the answers for you. Dismay, delight. Opposite of delight you can write dismay, or you can write displeasure also. Then disgrace. Disgrace is to dishonor. Meaning is dishonor. Opposite you can say honor. Opposite you can say right honor, disgrace. Then careless. Careless, I hope you all know that. Careless opposite definitely it will be careful. Okay, careful. Then you can also write attentive, being attentive, meticulous, another word you can write. Secret. Secret is very something hidden or something like that. So known you can write. Known. Secret, which is known, which is revealed also you can write. Confined. Confined is to be restricted, or you can say release for that. Release. Confined, release also you can write. Okay, next. I hope the other things you can do. Okay, page number 7, homophones are given, examples have been there, are given for you. You can just write the answers. So we will wind up here. So next we will see tomorrow. Thank you, children.